Okay, particles, they can be scary too, beginners, but I have a solution for that as well. The best way you're gonna learn how to use them is you creating the sentences on your own. And then there's a way I can check it for you. So what you're gonna be doing is, when you get my flashcards, okay, there is this digitally available study guides when you register. Print them out. This is what I give to my students in the beginning of the year. So first page is you're gonna see explanation of sentence components with particles and particle rules. Second page is gonna be super helpful for you because this is me mapping out all the basic sentence structures for the first year. So what you can do is, if you remember with my flashcard, okay, this also includes 300 plus vocabulary words that are digitally available as a flashcard format on an app. When you look at those app-based flashcards, all the verbs and adjectives are already conjugated in present tense. So what you can do is create those sentences using those conjugated words, plug it into the sentence structure map that I've shown you to create your own sentences, and then have me check it on the private Facebook group, okay? Going on to the next page on this digitally available study guide is the QR code based lessons where I explain all the particle rules and sentence structures all in detail. One more time. And then towards the end, you're gonna see common word mistakes explained to you like this. Okay? So don't forget to register and download all these when you get my flashcards.